Hey, welcome to Howza Channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to crop a photo in Photoshop. Open the picture you need in the Photoshop app. Select the crop tool from the left sidebar. Pull the frame corners to crop the picture. You can resize the cropping frame and then reposition it on the photo. Click on the check mark once you're done. You can also crop the picture with a few clicks. Select the crop tool from the left sidebar. Click on the original ratio at the top menu bar. Select the ratio you prefer from the list. It will automatically adjust the crop frame. Click on the check mark once you're done. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!